how to preview, publish, and unpublish your Wix Studio website. So I have in here my actual website. So for this one, I want to actually preview it. You can just click on this eye icon right there, then expand it, and you can preview it as a test site or also check this into this tab. So let's preview it as a test site, and you can create the test site, or you can also just preview it right around here into the editor. Just head over and click on it, and you can see the preview of what it will look like. You can see its behaviors, how will it scroll, and how it will perform right there. Now, if you want to publish it, just head over and then click onto this publish option right here in order to save your progress and also make it visible into the visitors. So once you have published it, you can see in here that we can now view it right there. Now, the crucial thing that we need to do is if you want to unpublish it. So in order to unpublish it, we need to head over into our dashboard. You can click onto this right here, which is your search bar, and search in here for unpublish. And you can see in here this unpublished site under your tools and settings. Now in here, you can see that right now the site is published. And if you want to unpublish it, just click onto this unpublish option right here. And then click on unpublish in order to actually unpublish it. So that's how you preview, publish, and then publish your Wix Studio website. Hope we helped.